Hello guys, today we are looking at algebraic expression. We have the question written down. We have the names, which is Andy, Bill, Carol. Andy has got 2x books and Bill has 4 more than this Andy. And Carol has half as many books as Bill. So for A, we are told to write down an expression in terms of x for the numbers of books that Carol has. For B, the total number of books is equals to 121. Then we are asked to find the numbers of books that Bill has. So for solution, so here the question saying we have to find the number of books that Carol has and the number of books that Bill has. So we are told that Andy has got 2x books and Bill has got 4 more than. So for Andy to be, for Bill, it will be approximate to be 2x plus 4 because it is more than 2x. Bill has got 4 more than Andy. Andy has got 2x, which means it is 2x plus 4. If it was less than Andy, is going to be minus. Then here it is more than. So for Carol it is saying that it has half as many books as Bill. So we all know that this is an expression for Bill. So for Carol it will be half of this Bill for Bill, which is 2x plus 4. And if you divide 2 into 2x, we are going to remain with x plus 2 into 4, which is 2. So this is an expression for Carol. And this is only for A. And for B, we are told the total number of books, it is 121. Find the number of books that Bill has. So first of all, we have to find the total number, which we're going to have B. We all know that Andy has got 2x books. So we are going to add the sum of all the 3 names, which is Andy, Bill, and Carol. So for Andy, we have 2x plus for Bill we have 2x plus 4, and for Carol we have plus x plus 2, which is equals to 121, in which it will be 2x plus 2x, which is 4x, plus x, which is 5x, plus 4 plus 2, which is 6, equals 121. So 5x equals 121 minus 6. So 5x equals 121 minus 6, which is 115. Then we divide throughout by 5. Then we are going to have x equals 23. So this is the value of x. Now we have to find, we all know that we have Carol, it is x plus 2. And for this question, we are asked to find the number of books that Carol has. So Carol has got x plus 2 books. Then we all know that x, it is equals to 23. So it will be 23 plus 2, in which it will be 25. This is the number of books that Carol has. So now let's find for number number of books that Bill has. We all know that an expression for Bill, it is 2x plus 4, in which it will be 2 multiplied by 23 plus 4. 2 multiplied by 23 is 46 plus 4, in which we are going to have 50. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so the next time you see the update.